Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and welcome back to the channel. Thanks to the volatility, thanks to our defense contractor Russia, our defense contractor, major defense contractor came out and he just gave a press conference, which he usually does. But today he gave a shock to the world, that is Russia is planning to exit the START treaty. So what is START treaty? START treaty is a strategic weapons. Weapons is something like it is like a nuclear arsenal. How much you can have, how much big is your nuclear arsenal? So you can Google it. So they are exiting that treaty, and this has caused a problem. And as I talk to you, US futures, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, and everything is down by 1%, and Europe is also down by 1%. So if you are following us, I told yesterday that 40,500 is a very strong support. In fact, B.Nifty touched 40,500 and 17,850 is a very strong support. That also has been tested today, and we'll also see how much future index short institutions are having. In fact, they have increased the index future short position size. So we'll look at that also. We'll see how much FIIs have bought or how much FIIs have sold. What could happen tomorrow in spite of negative global cues, whether we are going to gap up, whether we are going to gap down, what is going to be the levels, we'll all see in this video one by one, right? Before that, let me tell you, today morning I told in our Telegram group, so this is our Telegram group, this is not our Telegram group, this is open interest. We'll talk about the open interest. Today morning I told in our Telegram group that 17,850, as I said yesterday, 17,850 is an immediate support, right? So this support has to sustain for the markets to go up, Nifty to go up on the higher side, or next level, next resistance is around 18,000. Now what happened to Nifty is that you can see that today it gapped up, then immediately it came down and touched 17,850. Then again it retraced, it went above 17,900, it couldn't sustain, came all the way down to 18,500, came to yesterday's low of 17,800 levels, then retraced back to around 17,800. It again tried to touch 17,900, and end of the day it closed around 17,838. Now the 17,850 is very important level. Either the bull has to win or the bear has to win. We really don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Now, what my perspective is, looking at the global cues or looking at the local cues, there is no local cues, only global cues. Looking at the negative global cues, what I'm expecting is we can expect a gap down tomorrow. As I told you, SGX Nifty, US futures and Europe is all in the red. Where are we going to gap down? In case we are gapping down, we may gap down towards 17,750 level, 100 or 150 points. We will not gap down below 17,700, that is for sure. In case after we17,700 down, if there is any positive news or if there is any US futures are trading in the green, we may try to retrace 17,850 levels. So that is what I am thinking when it gaps down, Nifty gaps down. In case it gaps up, what is going to happen is, in case it gaps up above 17,850 levels, market may try to retrace and market may try to break the support of 17,850. If it is bullish, market will go and try to touch 17,900, then 18,000. So whatsoever this 17,850 level is very crucial, very important. So you will have to decide whether you are going to go long or whether you are going to go short in Nifty. When it comes to trading, maybe you are going long or short, you have to decide after whether the bulls are winning or bears are winning this 17,850 level. So this is very important point you have to remember. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, this 40,500 was a very strong support, and it has proved that today also 40,500 we saw lows of around today's lows of around 40,517 levels. So after that, market went up, it went all the way to 17,900, then came down, it traveled sideways. This thing also I told in our Telegram group that 40,500 is a very, very strong support. Nifty has to see, there is a bank Nifty is having a divergence and market may retest 40,900. And 40,000 being a strong resistance, bull can't win, it seems, right? So that's what happened. We saw a divergence. If you see here, we saw a bullish divergence. You can see here price action hitting lower low, at the same time indicator hitting lower highs, right? So these levels, then what happened, it went all the way, almost high was around 40,927, then it came, it retraced, and then it went sideways. Now tomorrow the question is, if at all market opens flat, maybe it will try to retrace 40,900. If it is not able to gap, let's say if it gap downs, maybe we can see a level of around 40,500. I don't think market bank Nifty will gap down below 40,500. So this is my idea. In case if it is opening flat and there is positive, US futures are positive, we are having positive global news, it will try to retrace 40,900. In case it gap downs, it is not going to gap down below 40,500 unless until there is very, very bad news. So this is in regards with the chart. So plan your trades according to this, and if you want, you can join our Telegram group. We have a very vibrant Telegram group. Even around 2:45, I told that Nifty is likely to close above 17,800, but the news is what is going to happen tomorrow, right? So you will have to, you can join the group, for which the link is on the description below. Now, as we told that 17,850 is a very strong resistance and 40,900 is a very strong resistance. Now that is very much evident in open interest. Now call side, if you see, 41,000 is having the highest open interest. At the same time, 40,500 is having the highest open interest when it comes to put. So that's why I told maybe market, if at all bank Nifty, if the markets gap down, maximum it will gap down till 40,500. From there we can see what happens tomorrow. That is a whole different ball game. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow. So 40,500 should be a strong resistance. In case bank Nifty gaps down tomorrow, we will see 40,500 levels. In case it is opening flat and we have positive news, bank Nifty will go towards 40,900, and anyway 41,000 is having the highest open interest. And when it comes to Nifty, as I told you, 17,850 is having the highest open interest, and you can see here 17,900 people are writing so much of short straddles, right? Both calls and puts are having huge open interest at 17,900, which means people are writing huge short straddles at 17,900 or 17,850 levels. So 17,850 is a strong resistance, and in case the market gaps above 17,850, we may try to, market may go to 18,000 if there is any positive news. If at all it gaps down below 17,850 levels, we may see 17,700 levels. So this is with regards to Nifty and bank Nifty. And if you see the participants wise price action, you can see that this FII future index short position, so they have increased to 268%. Now let me show you, on 19th this figure was around 235%, around 86.4% increase in future index short. That has increased from 86.4% to, on 20th, 19th it was 86.4%. from 86.4% to 98.1%. So 235% increase in future index. So that is a very important thing you will have to note. So there is a huge FIA short positions in the market. So look for it and be careful and trade careful. And for FIA data today, if you see the FIA data, surprisingly FIAs have bought for around 525 crores and DIIs have sold for around 235 crores. Both futures and this FIA data is a lagging indicator. It doesn't mean anything. Just for your reference, I am giving this. It doesn't help in any way on the trading time. When you are trading, when you are in front of the terminal, it is not going to help you as much as possible, but you can use this as reference, right? So I think I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.